Good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. Yes.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. In social problems, how many topics is completed? In social problems, how many topics is completed? Poverty. Yes, na.
Poverty and nutritional program in India or child abuse.
Okay. Today we'll see the juvenile delinquency. What is mean by juvenile delinquency? Already you have some idea about this. What is the juvenile delinquency?
I'm committing crime at a very young age, ma'am.
Okay, what is mean by juvenile delinquents? Mean anti-social behavior who they're having below 16 years age group. Okay, boys or girls, any member below the 16 age group people, they're doing the anti-social. What is the social means society? No, anti means against. Yes, no, against for society. They're not following to the law. Yes, no, violence in the law. They're doing some criminally activity in the society. Yes, no. What is the juvenile delinquent means? Overall, they're having below 16 age group people. They're doing in antisocial behavior and criminal activity in the society. And their violence support the laws. They're not listening to the anything. Okay? Understood, Amma? What is the juvenile delinquent definition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, they have the some types: individual delinquency, group supported juvenile delinquency, organized and situational juvenile delinquency. Okay, now we'll see the one by one. What is the types? First, we'll see the individual delinquency. What is mean by individual delinquency? Overall, they're having no below 16 age group people. They're not supporting the any member do any crime, do the stealing, robbery. Their individual mind, they're thinking abnormal behavior. They have no. They're using some vulgar languages. They're not to following any rules and regulations. Yes, no. They're only thinking own ideas, own thoughts. They're doing the some crimes and stealing, robbery in the society. Individual, their own. Okay. Next, we'll see the group supported delinquency. What is mean by group supported delinquency? For example, if taken family member, they're all family members. In family member, to give the support, you go and do this stealing and robbery. You take and come the any valuable things in other house. Okay, they're supporting to the group member to the encouraging the children. You go and do the robbery and stealing everything to supporting only family members. Okay. Next, we'll see the situational juvenile delinquency. Individual delinquency, group supported delinquency. Yes, now individual means they are only will thinking the bad, means their own ideas. In group supported means their family members, friends, and neighbors to supporting to the go and do the robbery and stealing. Next, we'll see the situational juvenile delinquency. What is mean by situational delinquency? What is mean by situational?
A crime is done in a particular situation.
Yes. If they quarrel to having without family members, they're living in street, they're single person, they want some food now for daily. That they're having some hungry meals, immediately they want some money or other food. In that time, they're going any hotel and there any member pouch, yes no, handbags, so to stealing and they're taking the what they want and they're filling their needs. Okay, situational juvenile delinquency. Okay, clear, ma?
Yes, Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, organizational juvenile delinquency. Organization means in like this who are all to having below 16 age group now, who are all to escaping to the home, they're if not staying in the home, and who are all to without parents to staying in street now, that all type of children to collect in one leader, one gang, for them to given the training how to will do the robbery, how to will do the crime, will give the some support and organizing the for the children, one gang to maintaining mostly we'll see in this type of will movies, yes no, in movies they're taken for all to having below 16 years children, they're all to taken, I will give money for you do this work like that, some will see no in movies. Yes sir, no ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
these types of the juvenile delinquency. Next, what is the causes for main juvenile delinquency? What is the main causes?
Poverty, ma'am.
Poverty. Poverty.
Yes, good. Poverty, peer
Peer
pressure.
group.
What is the peer pressure?
Same age friend.
Same age group, no? Same age group children, peer pressure and lack of parent support. And you are also told, no? Poverty, yes, good. Next, insecurity, children, poor recreational, and mental conflict. Who are also having some psychologically disturbing and they're having some problems. Okay, first is the lack of parent support. If we all family members they're observing now how their children what they're doing, what they're going, but in some family member they're not supporting to the children what they're going, what they're doing. Yes, no. If unsecure children, mostly will one of the causes for juvenile delinquency. And sometimes some children should run away from the home now for giving some punishment in the home. Run away from the home now. Mostly we heard long ago that in childhood only they escaping in home. Again after 10 years came back like yes now. Run away from the home. That children mostly if doing this all juvenile delinquency and the peer group support. Friends is there na, the friends also supporting. You go and do that work. If don't care any loss, yes not to supporting na. Same age group, they are also doing same like. Next, disobedient children. What is a disobedient means? What is mean by disobedient? If you
Not hearing to the parents, ma'am.
if I'm given some work for tomorrow homework, yes na. You are thinking, ma'am, tomorrow will ask, I want to do. Yes na. Some students will do like that. Some students what will like, ma'am didn't see na. Simply telling why I want to do. Yes, no, if not following all rules and regulations what's ma'am given. Disobedient means if not listening to the any elderly member words. Yes, no. Obediently means what they're telling, if they're following to the good, and to they have some respect to the elders obediently. Next, insecure. If any children, if not what they're going, if not given to the security to the children, if they're going anywhere, if not take caring, if not coming home also, if not calling why you not coming, not take caring to the parents. And conflict. What is the conflict? Already you know.
Confusion.
What is the conflict? To fight now to others. What is conflict? Aggressive,
Fighting the others member.
aggressive behavior to showing the other members, na? Okay, next to school dissatisfaction and school discontinue. These are the main reason for the juvenile delinquency. And social factors. What is the social factors? Broken house, poverty, begging. Okay, these are social factor, personal factor, more the causes of the juvenile delinquency. Next, what is the main means? Prevalence. How will prevalence to the juvenile delinquency? How will prevent?
And by the counseling we can do.
Yes, good. I want to give the counseling for the parents and children. Next.
Social education.
Yes, good. Social education. Next, any other?
And then by education, educating the children.
Okay, to give the proper training to the students. Don't go anywhere, don't do like this. To give the proper education, proper training, don't go anywhere. To give the education, counseling, parents along with the children want to give the counseling. What is a good behavior? What why you are doing like? You want to give the psychological support. We are providing what you want, food, daily needs. We will provide. You don't do anything here. Like yes, no. Overall, to having before 16 years, the law also is not giving punishment. No. The brain is not mature like that. Yes, Mama. That's why if they are doing any crime means they're taken and to given the education and to giving the counseling and to providing the good food and daily needs. And there to appropriate treatment to providing the children. Some children they're having mentally disturbing no, mentally conflict. They're having a plural to having mentally and psychological problem for them to providing the special treatment to controlling of the mental disorders. Plural they're having some mentally problems and medical illness for them to providing treatment. Next is the proper attention. To provide the proper attention. Okay, for all they're doing below the 16 years age group, no? In mostly they're roaming in the street, they're begging, in dustbin mostly they're collecting the plastic, no? Mostly we'll see in Bangalore also we are. Yes, no? The small children to collecting plastic and begging and roaming to the street, no? For them to give the attention for to taken the children and to providing to the good education training. If they're not having any Interest to studying means will give the any activities to preparing some handwork, handmade any items. So many is there now. Not only education. Will provide the recreational therapy to controlling of the crimes and to guideline clinics. If to take in that person will give the counseling and guidance is there now. You are studying in CET in that topic guidance and counseling.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how will to provide in counseling and guideline to provide the for children's to providing this all the to control the juvenile delinquency. In some children's now below the 16 age group people, they're having some the already I told no last class sexual abuse that will do the in society
Yes, ma'am.
some crimes. You want to educate them then proper good things. Okay, clear ma?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Does the juvenile delinquency? Single word you tell.
I'm doing the crimes under 16 years old.
Okay, antisocial behavior. Yes, no? Antisocial behavior and criminal activity in the society. Who's mostly having 16 to 16 below age group children? What are the types?
Situational juvenile delinquency and juvenile
Individual, group supported, and organized. Next one is the fourth
Peer,
situational.
one, juvenile delinquency.
peer pressure,
That is the causes factors. Okay. Next, what are the causes? Now you tell that one. Peer pressure,
Insecurity,
peer pressure in
lack of parent support,
insecurity,
insecurity,
insecurity, mental peer
conflict.
groups or property.
Okay. Then what is the prevention of the juvenile delinquency? How will prevent the juvenile delinquency?
By
To
giving
provide the proper
attention to
attention
Proper education.
and to provide both counseling both of children and parents and who are mental conflict affecting to provide the special treatment or to provide guidelines.
Okay. Clear, no? We have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now in your area is the good, the floods is completed, Aritra Mandal, the nurse, very good. Why Krishnakant, your video is off? Sudeep Gorai, Animesh Das, Dibyendu. Animesh Das, Aritra Mandal.
Yes, ma'am.
Vivek always offline mode only. Vivek is there. Okay, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.